Hey you, it's Jess here, and today we're doing my October kits. I'm doing this very quickly on the 2nd of October, so apologies that it's extra late, but I only really just got my act together for October, like this weekend. But first, here is my monthly kit, and hopefully you will see me do my monthly on Friday this week, if you're watching this video when it goes up. But it's just a caress press with Celeste art. I wasn't using this art in my weekly stuff, so that's why I chose that one. And then the first week of October, we have 2nd to the 8th, which is obviously the week that I'm filming this, but I am finally using my Adams art from SPC, although this wasn't exclusive, but I didn't get to use it the year I released it, not last year, but the year before, so I'm finally using it. So I think this is an older format, but that should be okay. I'm finally getting around to using my Addams Family art, and I have no idea what boxes I'm going to be using because they all look so good. I'm still so happy with this art. I don't think I have it on my shop anymore because of the pop culture stuff, but I'm going to be pairing it with silver, and I have this Sticky Essentials little graveyard bottom washi. I have these OK Plans drippy numbers. Heidi's here. I have these Sticky Essentials spiderweb hole protectors, just one more set of those. Then I have some stuff from last year from Planet Choco that she did for the the Wednesday Addams show, which I wasn't a fan of, but I thought a lot of the art, like the thing stuff I could use. So a lot of this clip art, it just has like the crows and thing and moons and stars. So I thought I could get a use out of these. And I'll just use the thing icons. And then I'm just going to pad it out with a, what is this called? Shimmer. The shimmer foil bundle, because I liked like the more shimmery night sky kind of feel to it from SPC. So yeah, that is what I'm pairing with Addams Family. Just something simple. I've had some of this, I've had this silver foil with it like for 2 years now, so I'm gonna finally use it. Then for October 9th, try and fit Heidi in here. Oh my god, she's so annoying. October 9th to the 15th, the week before my birthday, I'm using a Gothic Romance from SPC. This is art by Darcy. Just really fun, romantic stuff. But very, very colorful at the same time. And I thought with this like black glitter throughout, plus all the bright colors, I would pair with this just a simple black foil. I don't really have like any extras like that I particularly got this year for my Halloween stuff because I feel like a lot of it came out a bit too late for me personally, being international, which is why I try and release my art a bit earlier, although I've released all my art, holiday art at the same time for the last like 4 years. But I tend to release on the schedule that I know that I'd be able to get it internationally. So some of this I wasn't prepared for, so I'm just using a confetti bundle in black, sparkly black. And that's it. With this one, just keeping it simple. You know, the art speaks for itself, really. And then for the week of my birthday, October 16th to the 22nd. The 16th is my, 35th birthday? Jeez. I'm using the Caress Press Boos and Bats, because that's kind of the only Halloween art I got this year that's like a party-ish. And I really do like the colors. I think they're really fun. And again, I feel like this really calls for black foil. And I think actually, I've got a black foil paired with this, but I think in my current mailbox, so I get all of my sticker mail delivered to my US mail forward address, and they send me a whole package every month when I request it. So I have Star in black from SPC at the moment, like the old Star. But I know that in my US box right now, I have a Caress Press. She released like a boo, a fun little boo foil bundle in black, sparkly black, and it's there right now. So I think if I get it delivered in time, or if I put off planning this week until later, I'm going to actually use that foil instead. So I'm going to actually put this away because I don't want to use this foil with it. I want to use the themed bundle that I have waiting for me. So I'll just put a screenshot of that on the here on the screen so you can see what I mean. The newest Boo collection from Caress Press. And I think that'll be really fun and cute, and it's going to have the black that I want, but also the theme, and make it a bit more fun for my birthday. So that is what I'm doing for the week of my birthday. It is a very, very busy week as well, so I have 2 important appointments that week. So, and then my shop sale is going to start. It's going to be a whole thing. And then for October 23rd to the 29th, we're going to start getting spooky. I'm sure you guys are wondering, where's your new Halloween art, Jess? Well, it's here in the last 2 weeks. I got my haunted art from, and this is the SPC version, which is the haunted bookshop. And yeah, just, you guys have seen it recently, so I won't go through it. But there's a haunted book art, and then I'm gonna use these Planet Chocos. She released a foil, choose like a foil theme that goes with this, as well as Haunted Mansion. I kind of put them together. So this is Haunted and then Mansion lines of her stuff, and I got them everything in matte silver. So I have the Haunted little deco bits, the whole protectors. I have the Haunted Mansion full boxes because I thought these looked cool with this set as well. I got the Haunted headers. I've also got the Haunted line boxes. I really love the candelabra and the key the most. I've got the full boxes, and you got like the double box one and this one, so that's why I got this one. And I think the best part is the bottom washi with those candelabras. And then I'm just going to pad that out with a matte silver confetti bundle from SPC. It's hard to see matte silver, but that's what we got going on for Haunted. I just really liked the matte silver. I haven't seen Planet Choco's light blue, so I wasn't sure if I wanted to use that. So I went with matte silver. Then for the week of Halloween, the 30th to the 5th, I'm using my vampire art. I shall be fun, and maybe I'll watch Bram Stoker's Dracula this week for Halloween or something, because, you know, that's one of my favorites. But yeah, so we got the Dracula, the vampire art, and I'm just going to pair gold and champagne lights mixed metal with this because there are a lot of gold elements in here. And I just picked some of my random Halloween stuff. I have these bat confetti dates from Sadie's Stickers. I have Planet Choco web corners because I like how like you have the webs but they're not too intrusive on the image. I have the Spiderweb Sticky Essentials hole protectors, and those are all sort of different golds, but I feel like if I'm mixing champagne lights and gold together in the main bundle, I think it will blend into the different shades of gold we've going. And then I just have the classic shimmer in the gold and champagne lights mixed metal. I bought a bunch of these the last time she brought it back because originally it sold out, so I want to use that, and I thought it would be really pretty and whimsical to go with this romantic, sort of more decadent vampire art. So that is everything I've got going for October. We got my new Halloween arts. We've got some different artists in here, and we've got an old Halloween art from me. So I'm excited. I'm happy with my selection, and I think it'll just be a really good October. So if you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you're using for this month. Are you going full Halloween, or are you just not a Halloween person? Let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you next time, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye.